So this is US oil analysis for Friday, the 23rd of March. Now, let's just have a look at average prices, where prices may likely go. So, previously we've had this very strong run up on oil here from below the 61, well, in around $61 a barrel. We've had a move up towards the 65.60, from which we've had a bit of a pullback here. Traded beyond the 64.76. Found support, so we've traded back above the 64.76, and again we've seen some weakness come into this market. So this could be as a result of it being Friday and all. After having this strong run, we could be seeing traders take some profits, but we do have a lower high, and we are below the 64.76. So in light of this most recent move to the downside, if we are to see the follow through to the downside, we are looking at prices heading down towards our 63.76, from which we could potentially see buy side momentum take us back up towards our 64.76 or possibly up towards that 65.60. If, however, we aren't able to hold support at 63.76, we are then looking for price head towards our 63.05, beyond which we're looking for prices to head down towards our 62.54. Now, we haven't had a reaction towards the 63.05 in a while now. Let's just have a look. In around the 63.05. We're just going to have a brief look. Yeah, we did have a reaction. So we'll keep 63.05 on the charts for now. So if we do see the potential bullish buy side momentum take us back towards our 63.76 or possibly towards our 64.76. And again, if we do see sufficient volatility to the downside, quite a bit of sell side momentum, it would likely have to be a fundamental in nature for us to see prices head down towards our 62.54, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of potentially seeing sell side momentum. Now, if we are to see the current trend, which is to the upside, persist, we would potentially looking for prices to break back above and hold on to this 64.76, from which we're looking for prices to head back towards our 65.60. And beyond 65.60, if we are able to successfully navigate 65.60, we are looking for prices to head back up towards the 66.71, our most recent swing high in the market. Successful break from which we're looking for price heads towards the 68.19, which I'd expect to be the far end of the range. Here on, well, I wouldn't even think 68.19 would come into focus. Far end of the range, we're looking at prices heading up towards our 66.71 from where we are at present. And that's pretty much where I'd expect the far end of the range to be. But any moves to the downside will be somewhat counter trend and somewhat might hold a degree of danger to them. But the most recent trend is clearly to the upside, especially after having the breakout on the daily chart. So we're level to the daily chart, and we get scaling on here, correct? Just bear with me a second. There we are. So here on this daily chart, we've had a slight move to the downside. We've had a breakout to the upside. We've come up towards our 65.60. We've had posted a bearish day yesterday, and we've not seen a follow through today so far. We've had a move upwards. We've seen some sell side momentum, but we still remain in bullish territory for the day. So we might see that pullback before we have prices retest our most recent highs here in the market. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.